I think we have a religion. The video of setting up this.
Welcome to a new kind like we were doing this online, and I thought it would be fun. So I started the game already, and I'm playing that Sprite. So this is all we got these Toby things, and just make you hallucinate, and I call it Toby. So as you know, you've never seen this in like North. So this is actually new, and I wanted to know. I'm trying to do this. This is online. As you see, you never saw the hand near the face, and I don't know how this got here, but look, y'all must have checked it up stuff. And as you notice, there's more faces and stuff like that. And the wall was over there. So they just actually did a lot of things to the main level and to upper level to make it seem like this is right north. Now look, in new places, I never been in places, and let me tell you, you've never seen this one. It's so scary because, look, but I'm not taking it anywhere yet, because I found no tape. And when you start, now look, when you get a tape, it must have come. But as you notice, as I just noticed, and when you do this, when you do it on the players, you automatically get so you get zero. But you can't use 0 6 by itself. And you open your socket. That's what the question me for a very, very long time of what that is. And look, I get scared out of all because none of you got big balls and I don't get. I am getting scared. I'm normal now. Because this is green. So this is not scary a little bit. Bring my picture color TV. Oh! Oh God! I know what you're doing there. We didn't see you. You in a little scenario. You can't scare you. Good. Snap down on that tree. That's so fast. So fast. If you go straight up on Charlie in the game, which side? Okay, which side? I picked this side. Oh. Now, when you play with up the players, it will say 2 days to go. Oh, listen. So, when you play with other players, as you tend to notice, when you go So if there's like 4 of you, you only have 4 plates. And if there's 4 of you, what you have to do is you have to make that's on the bit. You have to if you fix it by yourself, you get caught. You go 60 days to go along and just the minimum of how many times you visit them and stuff like that. So if you keep running, you won't get caught. But if you stop, then you get caught because you all by yourself. So essentially, your partner sometimes or certain tend to weak friendship. And they tend to know that when they don't know that they're by themselves, but they also tend to all that's the market. What are you doing? Hey, boy. Do you want chocolate cupcake? I'll give you chocolate cupcake. Do you want that hat? I doesn't want a hat. Okay, I'm gonna throw you a stick, and you're gonna fetch it. Fetch. That's just to go fetch the stick. Fetch the leaf. Put over there, boy. Go fetch it. Or you get it spanked. And then you go spank, and I'm about to spank the statue so badly. I spank him so bad. Then he bring over like that. What if the water fountain? Like, oh, the cheese is the floor, runs the water fountain. I got 2 tapes, and I need 3 more. I need 3 more tapes. Oh, man! I don't know why he left. Ah, I took it more too. Why would casual people be out here? We don't want to get that place, bro. We don't want to get that place, bro. I shoot you. You don't know what to say, me. To listen. If you try listening, you can find things. But no, they don't know that technique. you remember what I told you earlier? If you buy your stuff, you want to dine on that stuff. I got this mark. I got this mark, guys. I got this mark. What's the leaves? There's still nothing around. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa! American bulldozer! We got one. You think about this guy, this is actually the first person. That's just the guy we got today. I don't know where it's going to take me. Already? Giving them? Does he get all these cards? There's no extras on my phone. I'm going to try to put them out of the Really, I just did that spot. I just did this little silent thing for 1 minute. I don't know how long. But I just know that I stopped talking. What? Yo! I think so. I want you to see maybe a target. That's sounds scary. But I also like this white noise. I am like the do a little bit. I need to do this. You know what? He's going down. So I got to go to town. I wanted to Minecraft. Y'all thought I'm so happy that I entered this game because my friend Marcus at school he always let me to do this. So this is what. So that's white noise. I hope you like it. I'm gonna play some Minecraft for y'all. And snap. Bye.